Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine at home. Today we are going to discuss about this picture. So this picture shows us sun, well, house, trees, hills. Can you guess what this picture showing? So what topic we are going to discuss now? Yes, your guess is right. Today we are going to discuss about the directions. Do you know how many directions are there? The directions are north, east, west and south. So you know, every day we are watching different news in newspaper and TVs. So that newspapers and TVs, they collect the different information from different directions. That's why here the word also news came. So the news word came from these directions only. So let me discuss these directions in this picture. When we stand towards the east, so that side is the, when we stand towards this side, that is the east. So how can we decide this is the east? Means which side is sun rising, that direction is the east. So that sun rising in this side, that's why this direction is the east. Opposite of the east is the west. When we stand towards the east, our right is south, our left is north. So this girl stands towards the east. So this girl right is the south. So this direction is the south. This girl stands toward the east. Left is the north. So this direction is the north. This one possible only when we stand towards the east, means sun rising side. So in this way we are known the directions. Which direction is sun rising? That is the east. Which is the opposite of the east? That is the west. When we stand towards the east, our right is the south, left is the north. You should remember RSLN. R means right side, S means south, L means left side, N means north. So let me discuss what are the objects located in the different directions. What are the objects or place located in east? In east, sun is there and also hills are here. And also north side, trees are located and also hills are there. And west side, house and also hills are there. And south side, well and also bucket and pot are there. So these objects located in different directions. So these directions we can discuss our India. So this is the outline India map. So this outline India map, we can show now the directions. In India, which side is sun rising? You know, the first sun rising state is the Arunachal Pradesh. means Arunachal Pradesh means this side only sun rising. Just now we have discussed which side is sun rising, that is the east. In our India, the first sun rising state is the Arunachal Pradesh. That's why this is the east. Let you say opposite of the east is the west. When we stand towards the east, our right is south. This is the south. When we stand towards the east, our left is north. This one is the north. In this way, we have learned the direction of India also. Do you know the boundaries of India? The east boundary of India is the Bay of Bengal, and west boundary of India is the Arabian Sea, and south boundary of India is the Indian Ocean, and north boundary of India is the Himalayas. In this way, you can learn the directions and also boundaries of India. So once again I will explain which side is the sun rising, that is the east. Opposite of the east is the west. When we stand towards the sun rising, our right side is the south. When we stand towards the sun rising, our left side is the north. Same thing here in India also. This side is the east, this one west, this one north, this one south. The boundaries of India is east boundary is Bay of Bengal, west boundary is Arabian Sea, north boundary is Himalayas, south boundary is the Indian Ocean. In this way, we have learned the directions of India and also directions. Okay, thank you.